regarding abortion, yeah, I don't think you should wait until Alpha pops it up before you decide to act on it. To my trained ear, that already sounds like more wants you to suffer before you get direction. I don't know if you've heard this saying that you won't know that a madman has people until he kill him. By that time, men are done you with his baby pictures. Obone plan to go a relative's funeral. Ama, otana. Ndị nwe nwa erika. Ndị a na-aka ala ozu erika. Ndị nwe mmadụ abụrụ ofu onye. In fact, the main part of a funeral is in the weeks and months ahead when you are going from one party to the other, right? Informing them about the bereavement and funeral rites. It's a tradition, formally informing them. The main day, the funeral day itself is simple. It's just one day now. You just sit down or you go and dance or something and no pray the events. So you can't just come and put your father in the ground because he's your father now. Yeah, mazi. When didn't know he has Ndiogo, he has Omunna, he has Omwada that own him. He has Ndewadiani. You know what I'm saying? If we are spirits having a human experience, all these people that are representing spirits that own him. So higher offer, they will be called to come and represent. They will be represented, right? In sending his spirit forth appropriately, because all of them follow get on. Otherwise, higher one alpha. So back to the point. If you are involved in killing a reincarnating Onyichie, then don't bother feeding your Ndichie. If you are involved in killing a reincarnating Ogugunwai or Umuobu, Ndewaudu, Ichi, reincarnating where they involve Niwe or an Ezenwai where they reincarnate, or even a reincarnating Abaranwai, Amazina Abar. If you're involved in killing her, then don't go to your Arobinago to go and say you want to go and see Ekwamum. Don't go to your Ezenwai in Mili. Don't go to Mili. Don't feed your Umuabu. Akwapuna Fibu. They don't give a shit about your bloodied food. If you are involved in killing, you see, I'm not saying if you killed. I'm saying if you are involved, if you paid the money, if you took the people to that place, if you gave directions, Akaidinia, Isoweke talk. So if you're involved in killing a reincarnating, if you're involved in killing an Ikenga, this one, Alusi Ikenga, Ekwe feed your small you directly self. So no even feed your Ikenga. You know what I'm saying? For Uchemu, this is spirituality. Do whatever you want to do, fam. Anything where you give your more before you do it well, which I imagine involves you apologizing to all the entities in where the spirit return untimely before men will, because on a mission out here and you returned him, you truncated that experience. That's like, you know what I mean? So anything where you give your more, just more believe na one way make it one mother make it one more. So anything where you give your more before you do that well, Johnny, they know they're interested in them. Me now I'll be theoretical spiritualist. So may first of all you want thanks for streaming Holy Ezumezu and loving Holy Ezumezu and the feedback globally fam. Like about a year ago, I knew I was getting like 7 streams in a week from AudioMark, and I knew who it was from. It was from P. P was saying, yo, how many times will she stream it before she become an SMY, before she become possessed? So thanks. It's even on low weeks, it's a lot compared to that. Then I actually make a decent Igommo consultant to hit me up for your you got more questions and consultancy. I appreciate the interactions. Bless.